This mama is not gonna come to us.
No. Hi. So they noticed the cat a month ago, and then the kitten just showed up today. So I'm pretty sure she's hungry.
Do we have permission to go on this property?
Yeah.
She's gonna run away. Right?
Oh, she looks horrible. Okay. She's gonna follow. The kitten's gonna follow.
I think we can. It's food. Food. Come on. You should distract him. Wait, not yet. When I'll tell you, then he'll look at you. And then I'll drop it on him. Okay. Now, you need to do it safely. Okay. Okay, careful. Fine? Okay, careful. Let's put him inside, and let's set up a trap.
Okay, kitten.
It's okay, kitty. It's okay. Okay, come on, trap, quickly.
And not feral. So yeah, we're pretty mangy. Or whatever that is. Yeah. I should have grabbed them. We have the skin. The what? Oh my gosh, she's thirsty. Water. There you go.
Oh, he went into like early onset renal disease.
Oh my, how long ago was that? Kitten. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hi. Hi. I want to just take this net away from you. All right, feral mama. Hi. So, huh? That's correct, ma'am. What? Isn't that amazing? Really? Yes. Oh, mama.
She's like, who is that cat?
Hi.
Look, I think she's gonna be a nice cat. You're gonna be a nice cat?
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, you're happy to have a baby? Oh, I did not see that coming. I mean,
Oh, was this for her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
There we
You
go.
got it. Yeah.
Wait, don't open it yet, Joanne.
You got it.
and you're not.
I can show you, yeah. You want to take this one?
Arabella's having the time of her life, though, huh, little girl?
Oh my god, you little monkey.